MGTS are an independent training provider. We are a registered charity and we've been operating for 50 plus years. We deliver apprenticeships for many different engineering industries such as automotive, aeronautical, food and drink manufacturing, logistics, pharmaceutical. Coming to MGTS for your apprenticeship means that the first year as an apprentice you would be in the centre, developing friendships, learning the engineering skills that will really equip you well for when you enter the workplace with your employer. When I studied for my qualifications, I did a degree in engineering. If it was today, I think I would actually undertake an engineering apprenticeship because of the opportunities that you have when you study for an engineering apprenticeship. You will have your support from your employer, you will gain those practical skills from people that have also been through the process of training to be an engineer through an apprenticeship. You will develop those practical skills alongside the theory skills that you would also gain if you went on to study engineering at a college or at a university. You get the best of both worlds.
Due to the national skills shortage in the UK, there is a high demand for engineers. So the apprenticeship programme will enable you to become more employable. You will achieve a range of practical and theoretical qualifications that will progress you on to higher education. All open events and opportunities will be posted on our social media platforms such as LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter. On the website there is an apprenticeship section where you can make your application. A member of the recruitment team will review your application and be in contact with you within a week to let you know the next steps.
All the instructors are time-served apprentices. So we have been in the position of apprentices when we were sort of school leavers, 16, 18-year-olds. So we know the programme, and it's very important, I feel, that instructors are time-served apprentices from the fact that for the apprentices we know what sort of programme that they're running on. They'll be using various different types of machinery, such as milling machines, lathes. They'll do electrical work, whether it's building panels, electrical maintenance. They'll do mechanical maintenance skills, welding skills, fluid power including pneumatics, hydraulics. In my role as an instructor, I do find it rewarding when we see the apprentices progress through the year. They start knowing nothing effectively, and then before they leave their first year they can safely operate machines, produce parts to good tolerances. From that side of things, it is nice to see the progression that they start with very little knowledge and leave with considerably more.
I came from a finance apprenticeship, so I knew all things office related. At the start, yeah, you're literally filing away at a block, but you understand different ways of how to file, different ways how to cut a radius, and learn how to use a milling machine, learn how to use a lathe, but also how to do those safely and correctly. It's never too late to start something new. Personally, I'd always recommend this over anyone, especially at MGTS, because of how well it's been broken down and how well people respect you as well, so I quite like it.
So I've chosen apprenticeship over college or a sixth form because an apprenticeship gives me an insight into job atmosphere. By my time at MGTS, I've learned how to use milling machines, lathes, hand fitting techniques. All the instructors are very easygoing, very approachable, and they know how to teach as well. They've obviously got a lot of experience in the specific area that they're teaching. I would say that if you think about applying for an apprenticeship at MGTS, I'd say go for it because it's probably one of the best things that you could do if you're just leaving school. I'd say engineering, it can lead you on in life in many different pathways.
To be honest, I've learned so much, like being on electrical. I think my favourite has got to be, again, because my dad's a builder, is doing like the welding and stuff, because I like to be able to flex on him that he can't weld and I can, and like using a lathe and stuff. You know, it's really good like hands-on experience and stuff that I really enjoy. If you're female or you're in your mid-20s or whatever it is and you're feeling doubts about wanting to do it, I had those same doubts, but absolutely do it. I think it's so beneficial. Everyone's really amazing and it's going to be so worth it in the end.